Regions Prestige Visa Signature Credit Card App. The pros, the cons. If you're considering a premium credit card, the Regions Prestige Visa Signature promises rewards and perks, but is it really worth it? One of the biggest pros is rewards. Most people get this wrong by assuming all cashback cards are equal. With the Regions Prestige card, you earn cashback on everyday purchases like dining, groceries, and travel. Some categories even offer higher rates, helping you maximize your spending. Another advantage is travel and lifestyle benefits. Cardholders enjoy perks like travel insurance, concert services, and exclusive event access. For frequent travelers, this can save both time and money while providing peace of mind. The app itself makes it easy to monitor spending, track rewards, and pay bills securely. The app also offers fraud protection and real-time alerts. You'll receive instant notifications for unusual transactions, and the card comes with zero liability for unauthorized charges, which adds an extra layer of security. However, there are cons. The card may come with a higher annual fee, so it's best suited for those who will fully utilize its rewards and benefits. Some users find the app's interface basic compared to other banking apps, and redemption of rewards may take longer than expected in certain cases. In conclusion, the Regions Prestige Visa Signature Card and its app combine convenience, security, and valuable perks for everyday spending and travel. The surprising truth is, if all the rewards and benefits are attractive, the card is most beneficial for those who actively use it to its full potential. For anyone looking for a premium credit card with solid rewards and lifestyle perks, this card is a strong option, but make sure the annual fee aligns with your spending habits and goals.